All right, let's do some connections problems. So we're supposed to find the value of this expression. We want to use order of operations, which tells us to do parentheses first. And notice we have kind of two nested parentheses. You start from the inside and work your way out. The other thing I notice is I have a percent here. I want to change that to a decimal before I get started. So we have 6,400 minus 0.3 times 200 times 44.8. Again, work your way inside out. So the first thing I'm going to do is 200 times 44.8. Leave everything else exactly as it was. So I still have 6,400 minus bracket 0.3 times, but I've calculated this is 8,960. We're working our way out, so now we're going to multiply by 0.3. So now we're down to 6,400 minus 2,688, and we just do our subtraction. And I'm left with 3,712. Okay, here's another one. Find the value of the expression. So 54 times a fourth here. Here's a percent. I'm going to change over to a decimal by moving my decimal 2 places to the left. The other thing is the fraction 1/4. If you don't like fractions, the decimal for 1/4 that you can find by doing 1 divided by 4, top divided by the bottom, is 0.25. So if you prefer to have that there instead, you can change that to a decimal. We have 0.42 here times 22, and that whole thing we're going to divide by 100. So let's go one parenthesis at a time. Here we have 52 times 0.25. Gives me 13. Plus, in this parenthesis, I have 0.42 times 22, which gives me 9.24. We still are supposed to do brackets and parentheses first. So inside these brackets, we have 13 plus 9.24, which gives me 22.24. And then we are asked to divide by 100. When we do, we get 0.2224.